Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Copy.ai with dropshipping. So step 1, you have to find winning products first. So basically you can use tools like AliExpress, Zendrop, Spocket, TikTok made me buy it. Once you find a product, head over to Copy.ai. So let's just say this is the product, wireless LED dog collar. Now what you're going to do is you have to go back to Copy.ai. And then here you have to look for the create new, tap on create new, tap on chat, and then we're going to enter the product name and ask for a short description. So basically you can choose your tone, for example, friendly or professional. So here's the example. This is the product. Ask for product description, tone, friendly. You can also add here format. You can generate more prompts. You can generate several options. You can tweak and copy the best one for, let's just say, AliExpress or Shopify. Press enter. And here is the sample product description. Now, step 3, you have to create Facebook or TikTok ad copy. So you can basically ask the following here. So you can follow this one, describe your product and target audience. This is the product target audience, let's just say from 15 to 40 years old. So after that, let Copy AI generate attention grabbing ad copy and then use in your Meta Ads Manager or TikTok campaign. Press enter. And here is the sample. Okay, so basically after that, step 4, you can now add welcome email or discount email or abandoned cart email. Step 4, this is what we call write email campaigns. So you can set up emails in your email marketing platform like Klaviyo or MailChimp. Then use Copy AI to generate compelling subject lines and copy, and then convert leads and increase sales. And last step, create website copy and about page. So you can use Copy AI to write your homepage headline, add trust building about us content, craft a clear FAQ section, and improve SEO by using blog post wizard for blog post content. That is if you have upgraded your Copy.ai. And as a result, you can paste it all here, press enter, and here it is. So all you have to do is to copy this and then paste it anywhere. You can ask for a longer version, but basically this is how easy it is. So here are all the results, and all you have to do is to simply go to, for example, AliExpress, upload the photo or the product, and then basically add this product description. You can add the features. You can add also the target audience if you want. You can add homepage headline for your social media accounts. You can also add here about this content, FAQs, and so on. So after that, you can now start selling your products. So thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.